Good morning, all of you. The Training Augmentation and Placement Cell of ITM Universe has been developed with a specific motive. We need to make sure that the students of ITM Universe, especially BE engineers, they are trained in such a way that they become employable. And our purpose is to understand what is the requirement of the industry and how can we fulfill the requirement of the industry, for which we understand that a couple of activities need to be done. The industry expectations from engineering institutions is immense, and if we want to fulfill these expectations, we need to understand that we need to train the students on a lot of platforms which are not included in the engineering curriculum in terms of the software knowledge, because what we are studying today in the engineering institutions needs to be upgraded, for which we are providing software training to the students for every branch on softwares like Start Pro, Primavera, Autodesk Inventor, AutoCAD. Our only motive is to see to it that the moment the HR people come in the campus, they see the students and they find the difference between the students of ITM Universe and the students of the other engineering institutions. And so far we have been successful, because the first batch of the engineering students of ITM Universe is found to be employable. The industry is happy with what we have provided. This year the activities are going to be even bigger, and we hope that we are able to fulfill the expectations of the industry in a bigger way this time. And we are definitely putting our efforts, and we are sure to get results. And with this idea, I am the training and placement coordinator of the institution, and together with the management's vision and the activities of the training and placement cell, we are sure that we will be able to create a differentiation and create a cult brand for the students of ITM Universe in the industry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Roma, and I did my MBA from Institute of Technology and Management Universe, and now I'm working as a training and placement coordinator since last 2 years. In the training and augmentation program, we are providing technical trainings to our engineering students. Also, we are providing soft skill trainings to our engineering as well as MBA and MCA students. In the training and augmentation program, we have a training partners from the Delhi, Hyderabad and Bangalore and many more places. The head of the training and placement department, Professor Rahim Munshi, conducts the mock interviews of the students to make them familiar and teach some basic etiquettes of the personal interviews before allowing them to sit in the industry. In short, we make our students ready for the industry. This year, with the effort of our management, director, all the deans and all the faculty members of ITM Universe, we have placed 80% of our students in the industry. And the industries like Wipro Limited, Zydex, Gujarat Fluorochemicals, Banco India Private Limited and many more companies. To see the list of the companies visited this year at ITM Universe, you can visit our website, or you can come personally to visit us. You all are welcome for any kind of inquiry and information.
How do you think that your augmentation program and training lectures have helped these students?
We are providing technical trainings to all the engineering branches like PLC and drives, SCADA and instrumentation, Java fundamentals, MATLAB, Revit structures, Primavera, to different branches of engineering departments. And we are providing certificates also so that it can help them when they go for the interviews.
Do you think all these programs have helped for a good placement?
Yes, sir, because when they compete with the other students, they have certificates of the technical trainings.
Okay, thank you, Roma, and keep grooming your students.
Thank you so much, sir.